Mukire mwega mwiroreri wa Kiheo TV gabashia mwanya ni gukoro twihokete tubira bene kumenyithia mama bina mbere na kuhanika veini wa flori ni doka ni gutuko tukumenyithia me twatinda tukikuhaririria muthenya wa umuthi ari tariki 30 mweri wa kana mwaka wa 2023 ni jetago Maureen Wanjiru na ke mwaviriri na njira ya shiko etagwo Rorina wa boy tukiabiria mohoro maitu tukwabiria na ripoti igie kure mutongoria wa flori Daktari William Ruto akarirwa kiamukira njorua yabe ya mahenya ma London Marathon Sebastian Sawe vigiraini wa Iragi. Sawe amukiretwo na giteo kia gifururi na kugathiririo oho Sawe ni ahetwo kimanjika kia besha mari hamwe na aria marari nake ihenya-ini riu na itajire imwe ya kumwikira mieke kana miaki mahenya-ini macio. Mwandikitwa mohoro Njoki wa Maina no atuhingwira mohoro maya na ripoti ino.
Ni mutongoria wa bururi Daktari William Samoei Ruto akiamukira na gukungwira njorua ya mahenya ma London Marathon Sebastian Sawe uria unyitireire rekodi ya thi ya mahenya macio thutha wa kuhuthira thi wa mathaa meri ihenya-ini riu. President William Ruto ni aitororiire Sawe ngoga nene ni undu wa guteithia bururi wa Kenya, akiuga ngoga ino igutura iririkanitwo ni njiarwa. Aringithanitie Sawe na andu megatu aria mathomagwo uria maneka maundu ma kugegania na uria ngumo yao itari hindi igathario.
What our very own Sebastian Sawe achieved last
No, hakuna kitu kama hiyo.
Na ni furaha kwa sisi wote. Nasema tu asante, na bado tutasidi kutia bidii kwa talanta zetu na kujenga jina ya taifa letu ibaki kukaa juu kabisa.
Minista wa mathako na mbeu njithi Salim Mvurya akigathĩrĩria Sawe ni acokeirie ngatho mũtongoria wa bũrũri ni ũndũ wa gĩtĩo kĩa mwanya kĩrĩa aheithĩtie njorua ĩyo ya mahenya na kũmwamũkĩra na gĩtĩo gĩa gĩbũrũri. Nake president wa Athletics Kenya Jack Tuwei ni agathĩrĩirie thirikari ni ũrĩa ĩhotete kũnyita ateng'eri a gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ na kũmahe mĩto makĩria ya gũkenga thĩ ng'ima makĩrirũkia bendera ya bũrũri.
I want to congratulate Sebastian Sawe for the achievement. This achievement is not a mean feat. It is an achievement that has profiled our country, and we are all rallying behind Sebastian and all athletes who represent Kenya at the global stage.
We highly appreciate what the government of the Republic of Kenya under your leadership have done for the athletes of this country.
Gĩthiĩ na mbere na gũkũmathĩra marĩa marathi na mbere na gũkunũka gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ njĩtagwo Njoki wa Maina.
Tugithie na mbere tugitigira na icio ciĩgiĩ Sebastian Sawe tũthiĩ na mbere. Ngwatanĩro ya andĩkani gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ FKE nĩ mandĩkithĩtie thirikari cia kaunti kũgĩa na ũiguano harĩ marĩhi ma mbeca cia igoti nĩguo kũrehe waragania kũrĩ thirikari cia kaunti na kũrĩ aigithia othe. Makĩaria marĩ kaunti-inĩ ya Mombatha thutha wa kũgĩa na mũcemanio maugĩte mũbango ũyũ nĩ ũkũrehe waragania na ahũri biacara othe nĩ megũkorwo makĩrĩha magoti maiganainie kaunti-inĩ ciothe thĩinĩ wa bũrũri.
You see an email that is too wordy.
We have been asking for a long time that statutory deduction be based on basic pay rather than consolidated total pay, because this has a huge impact on pay slips. We are also requesting for a review of the tax bands so that the tax relief for the minimum wage earners would increase from the current 2,400 to 3,600 shillings per month, and this would give employees who are employed by enterprises the relief that they need. There have also been discussions on the ratification of ILO conventions, one that addresses violence and harassment at work, and another one that addresses domestic work. And we want to commend the government for the progress that has been made since the last Labour Day towards bridging the gap between the reality on the ground and the aspirations under these two ILO conventions. There has been a gap analysis done, a cost-benefit analysis done, and we trust that the other requirements that are set out in law and in the ILO Convention on ratification of standards would be addressed and adhered to so that we would move together towards this ratification, and we believe that this should be completed as soon as possible. We are calling for the harmonization of county revenue systems. We are calling for the streamlining of cess charges and the enforcement of constitutional limits on county taxation so that it is not excessive and onerous on businesses. This urges policymakers to consider the realities that are being faced by employers and businesses at large and to adopt a balanced approach in any measures that are taken, whether it's regulations on taxations or policies, so that we can promote the welfare of our employees and also support enterprises to survive in these times that are very challenging.
Tugithie na mbere tuthie kuria kaunti ya Machakos. Thirikari ya kaunti ya Machakos nĩ ĩrutĩire andũ mũkana wa gũthama na arĩa maikaraga hũgũrũ-inĩ cia njũĩ. Minista wa mĩgũnda waki wa manyũmba na barabara kaunti-inĩ ĩyo Honorable Nathaniel Ng'ang'a akĩaria rĩtwa-inĩ rĩa gĩthũngũri wa ndini ya Muthwani Mathoko augĩte mĩtũrĩre yao ya gũkorwo ĩrĩ hatĩka-inĩ ya gũthererio nĩ mĩiyũro ya maĩ ĩrĩ mbura nene ĩthiĩte na mbere na gũthandana.
Yesterday evening, late in the night, we received a distress call
in Machakos County government from the residents of Utawala, Airways, Kinka, because of flooding in their houses. We have inspected several sites, about 5 of them today, and it is because of people who have constructed or done development on waterways. This is the last one that we are inspecting here. As you can see, the house behind me is a construction site that has been ongoing on a waterway. You can see water is flowing through the house, on the sides of the house, to mean that the physical planning regulations and rules and standards were not followed here. Our finding is that basically the reason why flooding is happening in people's houses is because of encroachment to waterways and people building on waterways. And so we are going to, as a county government of Machakos, to enforce the regulations, the law. We are going to bring down all structures that have been erected on waterways. We have mapped them, and I have officially issued instructions to the officers in this ward and in this sub-county to enforce the waterways and clear everybody who is on the way, pull down the walls, pull down the houses. Of course, we are going to repair the roads that have been washed out. We are going to pull in to bring in maram. So we are going to constitute an emergency response mechanism. So what I would want to ask the people of Machakos, when you are buying land, please do due diligence, because here people were conned by being sold land that is on waterway. They went ahead and constructed on naturally existing waterways, and therefore that will make us have to deal with them. And I also want to warn all land buying and selling companies, all real estate companies in Machakos, please and kindly, as you sell your land to buyers in Machakos, make sure your physical planning of the estates that you're putting up respects waterways.
Tukima mwanosho wa Machakos tuvi kaunti ya Meru. Atugatiri rungu wa ngwataniro ya makanitha bũrũri-inĩ NCCK rũni mũritie mũingĩ kũrĩa gairio mabacĩrĩire na itarĩ na maguta maingĩ nĩguo gwĩthemana na mĩrimũ maikĩtie rĩtana rĩrĩ marĩ kaunti-inĩ ya Meru thutha wa kwamũkĩra gĩthomo kĩgiĩ mĩrĩre mĩega. Agatha Wairimu no koretwo akĩrũmania na riboti ĩno na reke rĩu atũihũrĩre tumenye makĩria ciĩgiĩ irio iria mũndũ abatie gũkorwo akĩrĩa.
Ngwatanĩro ya makanitha bũrũri-inĩ NCCK nĩ yambĩkĩte mathomo ma gũthomithia mũingĩ megiĩ maini na mĩrĩre mĩega. Makiuga maya mokĩte kũrũmĩrĩra kuongerereka kwa mĩthemba mĩingĩ ya irio iria itagĩrĩire na iria cia kũhotomia ũgima wa mwĩrĩ.
Siku ya leo tumekuwa hapa kujulisha watu kuhusu chakula ama malezi mazuri kwa sababu ya afya zao. Ni kwa sababu chakula kingi kile watu wanakula siku hizi ni chakula ambacho kina madhara katika afya zao.
Makeria kanitha-inĩ wa Full Gospel gĩcigo-inĩ gĩa Karama kaunti-inĩ ya Meru hĩndĩ ya mathomo macio, ahunjia acio nĩ morĩtie mũingĩ kũgĩa na ũigĩrĩrĩki wa kĩrĩa mararĩa, kuona atĩ irio nyingĩ mahinda-inĩ maya irarugwo na maguta maingĩ hamwe na kemiko na iria nĩ thumu harĩ ũgima wa mwĩrĩ.
Tumeona tuendelee kufundisha na kuhamasisha washirika wetu waweze kula vizuri na wakule balanced diet, wachunge sukari nyingi, wachunge kula vyakula ambavyo viko na mafuta mengi, na vile vile waweze kuchunga kula chakula ambacho kimeongezwa chumvi kwa wingi, kwa sababu vitu hivi ndivyo vinasababisha magonjwa kama hypertension, magonjwa kama ya kansa, magonjwa kama ya mioyo.
Maugĩte mĩrimũ mĩingĩ tarĩ ya kũgwatanio no ĩgirĩrĩke na njĩra ya gũthingatithia mĩrĩre mĩega.
Ni vizuri tuwajulishe hiyo kwa sababu Biblia imesema sisi ni stewards ama watu ambao tumepewa vitu na Mungu tuchunge, ikiwepo miili yetu.
Hata sisi wahubiri tunaunga hilo jambo mkono, kwa sababu watu wakiwa na wamefundishwa lishe bora, wakiwa na afya huku kwa afya ya mwili, hata pia kanisa litakuwa na afya, kwa sababu afya inaanza kule nje na hata pia mambo ya kiroho. Kwa hivyo ninawapongeza na hata sisi tunawaunga mkono, tutaendelea pamoja.
Mohoro-inĩ ma Kĩheo TV, Agatha Wairimu.
Nĩ ngatho Agatha Wairimu nĩ gũteithĩrĩria icio ciĩgiĩ mĩrĩre mĩega, na tũkamba gwĩkĩria o hanini nĩ tũkorwo tũgĩcokeria na mohoro mangĩ ndũgathiĩ haraya.
Ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Tomugate wiki ugituria mundu muoyo ende kiugo kiumite kanua-ini ka Jehova ni gituragia mundu muoyo.
Alikuwa na uwezo wa kuzuia kubeba msalaba. Ndio. Alikuwa na uwezo wa kukataa kubeba msalaba. Lakini akakubali kubeba msalaba kwa ajili ya kuleta utukufu kwa Baba. Oh, haleluya.
O muthenya wa Friday thaa 3 cia rucini nyitanagira na ndungata cia Ngai kuma kanitha wa Jesus Wina Ministry tabarira-ini ya neno la uzima.
Alikuwa na uwezo wa kukataa na kukufa. Alikuwa na uwezo wa kukataa kusulubiwa, lakini akakubali. Ndio jina la Baba liweze kutukuzwa. Haleluya.
Ugatarwo na maandiko, ukahoerwo na ukaheo mwihoko muturire-ini. Neno la uzima nitugie kariko.
Of God, I love your voice. You have led me through the fire.
Ria Juma ya kinya tukauranira thini wa wathi wa mbeũ njĩthĩ. Haha tugakorwo tukiarĩrĩria maũndũ marĩa maratuhutia ithuĩ ta mbeũ njĩthĩ, marĩa mega tugakorwo tukihimbiria, namo marĩa moru tugakorwo tukirunga.
Enjoy your youth, but don't forget you'll be judged by what you did when you are enjoying your youth. By the way, unago kiugo kiugite
ngakunegereria kirungo kia mbere nikio the talk table. Haha ngakorwo ngikunegereria kiugo kia mwathani undu we na ndereti mwaki ya muthenya.
Let me tell you, the word says mwathani ni akoragwo hakuhi na aria ngoro ciao ciramite na ni akoragwo akimahe kirigiriro kieru.
Ngakunegereria kirungo gia kiri nikio the freestyle arena. We washia makinya
Ngenaga ni uria ndaimereire gwaku muthenya ria ndatururire werũ-inĩ nĩnjũĩ njĩra no ĩtware mũndũ kũrĩa.
Nawe washia kĩrĩu.
Baraka za God ziuka lakini zikikam ni quality. Baraka za God ziuka lakini zikikam ni quality.
Nitanagira na niye Joyce Wajiko wa Mwangi, the smiling ambassador. O Juma shahada thaa kenda nginya thaa 11 cia hwaĩ-inĩ thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya wathi wa mbeũ njĩthĩ gũkũ gwa Kiheo TV, kũrĩa tugaga nĩkĩo kĩhumo kĩa wĩtĩkĩrĩku. Reke tũgĩe karĩko.
Guru wa Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving toekaine ni kuruta matereva a gikiro kia iguru mari na uigirĩrĩki munene barabara-inĩ. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving turutanaga utereva wa ikiro ciothe. Class A ni utereva wa fikifiki na tuk-tuk, Class B utereva wa gari nini, Class C utereva wa marori na Class D ni utereva wa gari cia ukui wa muingi. Urutani witu wa utereva ni wa kurumanirira na mutaratara mweru wa NTSA na warikia kothi tugaguteithĩrĩria kwĩgira na smart driving license. Ni undu wa uhoro makiria ndukamaĩrĩrie gutucerera wabici-inĩ citũ Rwesambu nyũmba-inĩ ya Jewel Complex gorofa ya gatano barabara-inĩ nene ya Thika Super Highway kurigania na TRM, kana ũtũhũrĩre thimũ kugerera 0703 164003 0703 164003. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving, drive with confidence.
Ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia wĩtĩkĩrĩku.
Mwirorari na ni ngavo ni twacokereria orenge ikirekeria kerina ria muvia ria muhoro gafiru va imwe tugithie na mbere. Maafitha ogima wa mwiri kaunti ya Bungoma ni mathiete na mbere na kwero makini ati matigushoka wira wao nginya thirikari ya kaunti ya Bungoma imathikiririe makaya mao na kumahingia makiara thutha gutabania mururungano wa thayo mugite kaunti ya Bungoma ni imwe ya kaunti iria ikoretwo ikimairiria gukinyiriria medikivia maarigitani.
And we are here to stay. Our strike is continuous because of several grievances that the county government of Bungoma have failed to address. We have six agenda issues to be discussed with them, but they have not invited us formally for a discussion. So our members are out; they are not in work across the county. And today we are exercising the Constitution of Kenya about freedom to picket, to strike, and to demonstrate that we are uncomfortable with the actions of the employer, Bungoma County.
The employer has not actually addressed our issues. The issue that have made us to be here, one is the failure to the government to actually implement the agreed documents. Sometimes in December last year, we had an industrial action that we signed a return to work formula late January. Until then, the employer has not agreed or has not implemented the issues that we agreed in. The issues that were agreed in, to be specific, were implementing the signed CBA that was negotiated for over 8 years. The employers remained calm in that, and that's the reason why we are out. We equally agreed on payment of our arrears as far as SRC schedule increment that has not been paid until date. Second on the issue is the issue of contracted employment. We have officers who have been suffering with the punitive contractive employment that really is against the law, where it doesn't respect the spirit of equal pay for equal work value. We reiterate that the employer must convert these dubious contracts into permanent and pensionable terms.
Kwa hivyo tunakuja kuambia gavana wetu kwamba lazima kuna watu hawafanye kazi inayofaa katika hizi wizara, na hebu jaribu kufuatilia. Tunakuja county assembly na tunakuja kuwasilisha pendekezo letu kwamba washurutishe wanaohusika kuhakikisha kwamba pesa inapatikana ndio wananchi waweze kupata huduma inayofaa na wakati unaofaa.
Tugitigana na cio ciĩgiĩ arigitani mwena ũcio wa Bungoma tũthiĩ mwena wa Isiolo. Aikari a wadi ya Borat kaunti ya Isiolo nĩ mandĩkithĩtie ihoya kũrĩ thirikari ya kaunti ĩyo gũkorwo ĩgĩthukĩra mũbango wa ũgayania wa mĩgũnda wa mũingĩ kĩgĩna gĩa ciringi milioni 6 harĩ bajeti ya kĩgĩna kĩa mwaka wa 2026 nginyagia mwaka-inĩ wa 2027. Amemba akũrũgamĩrĩra mĩgũnda ũcio maugĩte ũgayania wa mũgũnda ũcio nĩ ũgũtuithania ngahĩha cia mĩgũnda na iria ikoretwo kuo gatagatĩ ka mũingĩ wa Borat na rũhonge rwa mbirarũ rwa KDF mwena ũcio.
Hii ni jamii ambayo tumeshika mkono kama Inform Action kutoka 2016 na tumetembea na wao mpaka saizi. So saizi under grant ya dona anaitwa ASF. Tuko na mipango ambayo tumefanya na hii community, tumefanya strengthening ya CLMC na pia kuna memorandum tutakuwa tunapeleka kwa the county assembly ya Isiolo department ya standing committee ya land environment and natural resources, pia waweze kusukuma gazettement of Borat ambayo saizi at the moment it's not gazetted to be registered as community land. Kwa hivyo waweze kusukuma through the national land CS aweze kugazette Borat ndio ikue mmoja wapo zile sehemu ambazo zitakuwa registered as community land.
Tangu 64 mpaka leo Borat haishughulikiwa. Maombi yangu kwa CEO ya kaunti wetu, mbali gavana wetu Guyo, vile amesaidia sehemu zingine zote ya Isiolo mpaka zile za boundaries, mpaka za Chari, mpaka za Shirab. Sisi pia ni watu wake wa Borat. atusaidie sisi kama wana Burat. Mimi sasa nimeseka 70 years. Hiyo ardhi ambayo imekaa hivyo tu haishughulikiwa. Niko na imani CEO ako na uwezo, ako na upper hand ya kudecide fate ya Burat people, wale ambao wanaishi sehemu ya Burat. Hiyo pesa ambayo inatumika pale tumekapcha kwa CIDP, iko pale kwa ofisi ya economic planning. So sisi tuko na imani CEO wetu ambaye ni governor wetu huyo anaweza kusaidia, akiamua anaweza kusaidia. Yako na uwezo mwingine ambao anaweza kusaidia, sipokuwa ni governor peke yake.
Sisi ni CLMC ambayo tumekutana hapa, tunafuatia mambo ya ya community, na uzuri ya kupata hiyo ardhi sahihi kirejeshwa, sisi mojawapo, sisi kama wananchi wa Burat ambayo tutakuwa na hiyo community land, itakuwa ni accessible, mtu anaweza kujua hiyo land ni yake, ata own, na pia watu wa nje hawezi ingia. Na vile vile sisi kama vile tulikuwa na mzukosuko ya ardhi, tulikuwa tumepata hiyo, tumerejeshwa hiyo ardhi, sisi tutakuwa wenyeji wa hiyo ardhi na tutakuwa tuko na benefit nyingi sana katika hiyo ardhi. Na ukosefu hiyo ardhi, tuseme mfano challenges wakati ardhi jarejeshwa, mojawapo ni hiyo watu wanahama, conflict inakuwa hali ya juu, na pia serikali haiwezi tambua hiyo ardhi kwa sababu watu wakihama hiyo ardhi inabaki bila watu, na hiyo ardhi itakuwa watu wengine watakuwa wanaishi. Kwa hivyo sisi tunaomba hiyo ardhi rejeshwe, na tunanyenyekea county government ya Isiolo na serikali ya county ya Isiolo iangalie Burat iweze kurejesha na tutengewe pesa.
Ngabo mwirorere ndio na ndeka itanyihire 25 ile itirukite kuma va imwe shihade na geteto ko tugitirihera hau mohoro maito mava imwe shiahwaine ngabo tuko tugishamani na rege wona shihada va ivato tukumenyivia mage maige emara mavinabe na kuhandika veni wa Floribito wa Kenya ngabo shia mwanya kuraria be makinyeneria mohoro maya jetagwo Maureen Wajiro tushamani va ivato gena wirorere mwega watafera shito na iria irarumirira.